Hello, welcome back to the trading channel, Lava Trader, and here we go. This is a video about brokers, offshore brokers for US clients offering high leverage. So if you have a trusted, reputable broker that you've been using, that you've been withdrawing funds from, please let me know. But in this video, I'm going to show you what I'm using for 500x leverage or more. Some offer 1000x leverage because Awanda and stuff like that in the US at 50x leverage, you just can't do some of your trading strategies with such little leverage. So how I'm approaching this is that all these offshore unregulated brokers that offer this high leverage for US clients, they're complete scams and complete trash. That's my mentality going into it. I don't know if they're legit or not, but you have to basically, as a US client, buy crypto and then transfer the crypto in and then transfer the crypto out. It's just such a mess. So what I would suggest is, say you have $100,000. Well, you would only want to be putting like I would say 10, maybe 20% of your money in these brokerages maximum. Put in only money that you're basically willing to throw away. So if you have $100,000 and you're willing to throw away on a gamble $10,000, then put 10% of your money into these brokerages and spread them out. And the reason I actually did this before I found out that Prosperity FX was a total scam. Luckily, I only put in $595. So, but how I'm managing my risk, I'm kind of spreading it out amongst other brokerages. So you can see down here on my Windows 11, I have all these brokerages that I can just pull up real quick just with one click. But like here I have AAFX, $600, ADROFX, $531, and a demo account, that's just a demo account, $1,000, then CoinX, 1,000. Now, let me switch over to my other monitor here. Okay, so here are my brokerages. So if I pull up AAFX and then all these other brokerages, you can see I just have so many, and because I don't know if these brokerages are going to allow me to withdraw money. So in this video, in my next video, I'm going to be withdrawing money from these brokerages and telling you how it goes. But one thing that happened is Prosperity. Here I'm stuck in this high leverage trade on USD/JPY, but I can't get out. So if I try and close these trades, it's just not letting me close a trade, which I don't know why they're doing this to us or why it's under maintenance. But let's say you had all your money in Prosperity and none in the other accounts. Well, you just lost all your money. So it would be good to spread it out between AAFX, CoinX, EagleFX, because say some of them are legit, some of them are scams. Well, maybe you lose 10% of 10% of your money. So instead of losing your full $10,000, you lose only $1,000, and the rest of the brokerages are legit, and then you're able to pull your money out. So, and Hanko, and LMFX, and LQDFX. And my personal favorite right now is CoinX, because I'm using this trade copier from my master account. So this is my master account, and all the rest of these are slaves. And I set on pretty much all of them, except the Awanda. I set the multiplier to be the same. Yet you can see my gain per month is AAFX has 103 compared to, oh, you can't see that. Let me switch over to my other monitor here. Hide that one. Okay. So back over to here, the gain per month is 103, 67, and the demo I had higher, so that's not relevant. CoinX turned out to be 164, 115, and in theory, it should all be the same, right? Because the multiplier is the same, so the risk per trade is the same, yet it's because of the spread. The worst is ADROFX and FX Glory have just been horrendous on the spreads, but the best gain was CoinX. So if I'm able to pull this money out from CoinX, which I'll show you in my next video, I'm going to try pulling out some of this money, then CoinX is the best. But again, they can vanish, they can disappear at any time. So Again, don't put all your money into one brokerage because they could vanish. And how are you going to get your money back? What are you going to cry to the cops or go complain to your neighbor? It's impossible. They're not going to be able to do anything. So I would suggest spreading it out. And another thing is, I would also suggest, if you get profits on a month, pull out some of those profits. So for example, I'm going to be pulling out about 10 or 15%. Oh, well, in this case, I have 13%. I'm going to pull out 13% from all these accounts just to take some money out. So over time, say I build an account up from $50,000, and month by month it's going, or $500 month by month, it's going up and up and up. Over time, I'm pulling out 10% of profits. Every month that I get profits, I'm going to pull out 10% of that. So at the end of it all, I have an account that's grown, but along the time, every month, I pulled money out. So even if, for example, when I go to liquidate the whole account, say my brokerage says, no, we're not going to give you any money. We're going to shut your account and we're going to steal your money. Well, at least you've pulled out money over time, and you have those 10% withdrawals every month, rather than letting it sit in there growing without pulling anything out. And then at the end of it all, after 1 year or 2 years, you're done with it, and you try and pull it all out, and they say, no, sorry, you're screwed. So that's just what I would recommend. Spread it out over a lot of brokerages. And if you have a brokerage that you use as a US client that gets you 500 or 1,000x leverage, please let me know. But these are the ones that I'm using so far. So I'll go through the list real quick, and that'll be the end of the video. So I'm using AAFX, AdroFX, CoinX, EagleFX, FX Glory, Henko, LMFX, LQDFX, N1CM, and then I have the Awandas, and then I have Prosperity, and which is the scam broker that won't let me operate, won't let me log in. So I think they're done. And they're actually, I think they're the same as NVFX, the same people running it. So I'd be wary of Prosperity and NVFX. And then Tradicio, for some reason, I can't log in on my computer. It's my browser, my internet provider has identified it as a scam. So I'm going to try and log in on some other, but basically, I think these two are scams, and probably NVFX I would avoid. So that's that. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.